Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today, I'm going to be making chicken curry. After eating very Japanese dishes like Osechi and Ozouni, we crave curry. As you know, we love curry rice so much. We have a very famous TV commercial of box curry saying, Osechi is good, but curry is also good. That much. In my previous curry rice video, I used the boxed curry, but I have some requests without using box curry. So this is it. Let's get started. Chop onion in a food processor. Heat heavy bottom pan on high. Add vegetable oil and onion. Cook on high until the moisture evaporates and start browning. Put the lid on and turn the heat to low. Steam the onion and draw all the moisture. Stir constantly to brown evenly. Meanwhile, cut the other ingredients. Chop the carrot in the food processor. Peel the daikon radish and dice into half an inch. Minced garlic cloves and ginger. Cut your chicken thigh into chunks. Toss in a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of curry powder and yogurt. Toss to coat evenly and set aside. After 10 to 15 minutes, your onion should look like this. As you already realized that in my cooking, I use caramelized onion often for Western style dishes, especially for curry. I believe the caramelized onion adds umami to my dish and deepens the flavor. Add curry powder, stir until fragrant. Add in the chicken thigh and cook until the outside cooked for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add in flour and cook until distributed evenly. Pour tomato juice, stir to loosen the curry paste. Add in bay leaf and chicken soup cubes. Add diced daikon radish and put the lid on. Cook 15 to 20 minutes or until everything melts together. Add salt to season. And I add apricot jam left in my fridge for last couple of months to add the sweetness. Cook until everything well combined. Look at this beautiful curry. You may think the daikon radish is not goes well with curry, but actually it tastes so good. When you take a bite, you will know how it works. The moisture from daikon radish softens the spices. Smells so curry in my kitchen and my neighbors. Ladle as much as you want over the rice. Today I have prepared carrot rice. Add grated carrot and a pinch of salt when you cook the rice. This curry is a little bit spicier than the boxed curry, so I like to serve with boiled egg to make it mild. Sprinkle deep fried onion for the final touch. These are rakyō sweet pickles. It's a staple condiment for curry rice. And it's done! Let me taste. Take a little bit of everything on my spoon. And it's spicy but rich in umami. Chicken thigh is fork tender. Everything melts together in my mouth. My crave for curry is finally filled with the chicken curry. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Click like if you like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please visit my website for more information and little recipes and follow me on my social media for daily update. And the store on Amazon is open 24/7 so you can check the ingredients and tools. The link is in the description box below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!